The C-5M Super Galaxy isn't just an airplane, it's a flying fortress. With the power to hold tanks, helicopters, and entire military units across continents, it's the US Air Force's ultimate heavy hauler. Bigger than your house, faster than your delivery guy, and smarter than some spacecraft, this beast rules the skies like no other. Number 15. The King of the Skies. The C-5M Super Galaxy reigns as the largest aircraft in the US Air Force fleet and among the world's heaviest operational cargo planes. With a length of roughly 247 feet and a wingspan of 222 feet, just picturing it under the wingspan of a 747 makes it feel modest. This colossal footprint positions it as the fourth longest fixed-wing aircraft globally. Its gargantuan size isn't just for show, it enables it to haul outsized cargo that no other military transporter can. Ground crews affectionately joke that spotting its wheels rolling in means hide the sedans, it'll flatten them. Number 14. From Galaxy to Super Galaxy. First introduced as the C-5 back in the 1970s, the Galaxy faced early hiccups, wing cracks, and rising development costs brought it under congressional scrutiny. The 1980s HMOD program reinforced the wings, restoring full payload capability. Later, between 1998 and 2018, two major upgrade efforts, avionics modernization program and reliability enhancement and re-engineering program, rejuvenated the fleet into the sleek C-5M we know today. Now, all 52 active airframes are officially C-5Ms, sporting modern avionics and powerful engines. Number 13. Thrust like you have never seen. Powered by 4 GEC F6 to ATC2 engines, each delivering about 50,580 pounds of thrust, the C-5M boasts roughly 22% more thrust compared to its earlier models. That translates into roughly 30% shorter takeoff runs and a 38 to 58% faster climb rate. Thanks to modern acoustic engineering, it also clears the FAA's Stage 4 noise limits, resulting in a quieter overflight than its predecessors. Pilots joke that the engines now purr instead of roar. Number 12. Payload Titan. Nicknamed the Flying Costco, the C-5M can lug a maximum of 281,001 pound, 127,460 kilogram of cargo. The cavernous cargo bay, roughly 144 feet long, 19 feet wide, 13.5 feet tall, is large enough to hold 6 IL-64 Apaches, 5 Bradley fighting vehicles, or 6 Greyhound buses in one go. That's a mobile garage in the sky. When fully laden, it operates near its 840,000-pound maximum takeoff weight. Number 11. Runway Houdini. Despite its immense size, the C-5M can operate from runways as short as 6,000 feet, thanks to high-flotation 28-wheel landing gear and thrusty engines. Once on the ground, the gear can kneel by about 8 inches, lowering the cargo deck for easy load-unload. This versatility enables it to serve austere airstrips even in places like Antarctica war zones. It's not just runway savvy, it practically owns the tarmac. Number 10. Nose and tail doors. One hallmark of the Galaxy is its dual-access, both nose and tail doors open fully, enabling drive-through loading. Double-row loading means two vehicles can go in simultaneously, fast, efficient, and Tetris-ready. This drive-through capability is especially useful when time is critical. Instead of looping trucks in and out, they just park and roll straight through. Number 9. Federal Aviation Administration Certified Quiet. Upgrading to CF6 engines was not just about power, it also dramatically reduced noise emissions. The C-5M meets Federal Aviation Administration Stage 4 noise standards, easing its acceptance on civilian shared airfields. Communities near bases like Dover and Travis have noted significantly quieter pre-dawn departures, easing friction with locals. Who knew strategic airlift could also mean strategic hush? Number 8. Avionics from the future. The C-5M's cockpit underwent a digital revolution under AMP. Gone are analog dials, replaced by 6 glass displays, GPS navigation, and autopilot that rivals commercial airliners. Pilots reportedly quip, "Feels like flying a giant Xbox." Equipped for modern airspace compliance, it supports digital mapping, secure comms, and even surveillance systems essential for contested environments. Number 7. Record-breaking legend. The Spirit of Normandy famously blazed 41 official aviation records in a single 2009 flight. Notably, it hauled 176,610 pounds to over 41,100 feet in under 24 minutes, while also claiming records for payload to altitude and climb times. This was no stunt, it was certified by the National Aeronautic Association, cementing its legend as an aviation powerhouse. Number 6. Strategic airlift mainstay. Since entering service in 1969, the Galaxy family has been a fixture in every major US military engagement: Vietnam, Yom Kippur War, Gulf War, Balkans, Iraq, Afghanistan, and disaster relief missions. From delivering tanks to transporting baby formula, the C-5M has proven its strategic versatility. Its global reach is why the phrase, "when it absolutely positively has to be there," exists, and usually refers to this behemoth. Number 5. Fuel for miles. Loaded with 332,500 pounds of fuel in its 12-wing tanks, roughly 51,150 gallons, the C-5M can fly 4,800 to 6,300 Newton-meter unrefueled, depending on cargo load. When refueled mid-air, its endurance is limited only by crew duty cycles. Think of a marathon runner with endless gel packs. One mission logged over 10,000 miles non-stop with substantial payload and multiple in-flight refuels, a true demonstration of global reach. Number 4. 7,000-point doctor. The C-5M is one of the most intelligent aircraft in the sky, not because it's AI-powered, but thanks to its integrated diagnostic system, which constantly monitors over 7,000 test points across engines, hydraulics, avionics, landing gear, and flight controls. If something begins to malfunction, maintenance crews are alerted before it becomes a crisis, allowing proactive repairs and minimizing downtime. This predictive maintenance approach has boosted mission-capable rates from just 50 to 60% in the old C-5 a days to over 75% for the C-5M. In financial terms, the upgrades will save the United States Air Force more than $20 billion in lifecycle support costs. Mechanics have dubbed it the plane that tells you when it's sick, like having a flying hypochondriac, but one that's actually helpful. Number 3. Service life to 2040 and beyond. Though it first entered service when Richard Nixon was president, the C-5M is nowhere near retirement. After receiving extensive upgrades, all 52 aircraft in the fleet have been structurally certified for continued operation through at least 2040. And with ongoing avionics improvements, like the $56 million Lockheed Martin contract awarded in June 2025, it's not out of the question that the C-5M could remain in service into the late 2040s or even early 2050s. As global threats continue to evolve, the United States Air Force simply does not have another aircraft capable of replacing its unique blend of size, range, and versatility anytime soon. Number 2. Strategic wings across bases. The USAF has carefully stationed its C-5M fleet at 4 key bases to ensure global rapid response: Dover AFB in Delaware, Travis AFB in California, Lackland AFB in Texas, and Westover Air Reserve Base in Massachusetts. These locations allow the Galaxy fleet to quickly reach the Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Middle East, or even remote Pacific islands at a moment's notice. Both active duty and Air Force Reserve wings operate these giants, practicing year-round for combat, disaster, and humanitarian missions. Arctic snow, desert heat? No problem. The C-5M goes where few other aircraft dare. Number 1. Training tomorrow's pilots. The 433rd ALIF Wing, based at Lackland AFB in San Antonio, serves as the United States Air Force's only formal training unit for the C-5M. Here, pilots, engineers, and loadmasters learn the intricate skills needed to operate one of the world's largest aircraft safely. Training covers not only flight procedures, but also complex cargo loading strategies, international navigation, air refueling operations, and emergency scenarios. Mistakes are not an option when you're flying an aircraft carrying millions of dollars in hardware or life-saving equipment halfway across the planet. Graduates of the program leave with the knowledge and confidence to handle missions anywhere on Earth, and often do. And there you have it, the C-5M Super Galaxy, the absolute titan of the skies. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most powerful aircraft ever built, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more epic aviation content like this. Drop a comment below and let us know, which aircraft should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.